Hi, my name's Seth and I'm going to show you how I've wired in the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. There's lots of instructions that tell you how to wire it in straight to your consumer unit, but that's a bit of a faff as it's a distance away from my door. So I decided to have a little look online. There's one video that shows you exactly how to do it, so I thought I'd add another one. So I bought a Video Doorbell Pro from Ring because I had the first one and it was awful, to be honest. I got videos of backs of people's heads, the battery kept dropping out, the internet connection kept dropping out, so I gave up for a while. But then I decided to try this one and it's been absolutely brilliant. Let me show you exactly how I've wired it in. Very straightforward. I'm lucky enough in my lobby to have a plug socket, so I use a plug socket, wired in a 3-pin plug. Brought that cable all the way down and up into this little unit that I bought from TLC Electrical for £2.50. Wired it in with the big box that it comes with inside the Ring Video Doorbell box. 2 wires in from the bottom. I cut the earth lead off because I don't think I needed it, and it's also nowhere to put it, but it's also a plastic box, so should be absolutely fine. And then 2 wires coming out the top. The wire on the left hand side straight to one side of the doorbell and down, and the one on the right hand side that goes up into this little magic box that comes with the Ring Video Doorbell Pro as well. I think that regulates things and stops fuses from blowing and that kind of stuff. And then back in again and down. And if I show you, it's quite straightforward. It goes down. I've managed to channel it along the side of my lobby, down here and underneath the door, and yeah, I will be tacking it in properly later. I also put it up here. If you can just see down the side there, there's a little bit of channeling, and then eventually through the other side of the door. To the Doorbell Pro. I have to tell you, I was very impressed with it. The best thing about the Video Doorbell Pro is that it wires up to the 5 GHz network as well as the 2.4. So because I've got a router close to it, it makes it very quick, and I get no false alerts. It comes up on my phone and my PC and everything else very quickly, and it's really well worth buying. All I've got to do now is secure this little unit on the top of here, screw it on, and other than having to change the plug socket eventually for a double one because of this heater, make it look a little bit nicer, that should be tidied and out the way, and you would never even know it's there. You don't have to mess around behind the fuse box. Hope it helps, and thanks again for the one other video that's online that explains a little bit about how to do it. I took my inspiration from you, the London telecom engineer or something like that, but very worthwhile video to watch, and he helped me out immensely. But he was wiring in the old one and this has got a new little box, so just thought I'd add to his good work. Hope this helps.